Okay, so now we want to create an inner class to get the statistics for the orders. Previously, we've created a business process controller to do that, and we created it as a separate controller. We can see it over here. Now we want to create it as an inner class, or the equivalent of subtasks in Magic. So what is an inner class? An inner class is a class that is defined within the scope of a parent class. So this is our parent class or external class, which is within a namespace. And if between it opening brackets and closing curly brackets, I will add a class, it will be called an inner class. Class my inner class. As soon as I add that, it will be available here in the Como as a class and an inner class, and also in the class outline, or at least as soon as I'll add some meat on it later in my code. Here it is. Container class and inner class. Now, I can write all of this code over here saying that it's a business process base and blah, 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 but I'm lazy. So for that, Visual Studio has introduced snippets. I'm going to go to right-click, insert snippet, others, sorry, not others, right-click, insert snippet, shortcuts, and choose inner controller. So as you can see, it writes all of the code for me. I'll give it a name, get totals. It's a business process, and then I need to give it the parent controller name. In this case, show orders to demo inner classes. That's our parent class. So we say show orders to demo inner classes. Great. So here is our inner controller, okay? And it's completely equivalent to an inner task. Notice that it's getting the parent controller as a parameter. So to call it, we will say, let's put override on leave row, override on enter row, and say new get totals, and send it this as a parameter dot run. This means that we're going to send it our parent class as a parameter to that inner class, and it will be stored in the parent member for our future use. So let's review what we've changed to add an inner class. We've added the inner class over here, and we've added a call to it, sending the this as a parameter.